Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into EVgo's latest report. It's an electrifying look at their financial health, but are there hidden shocks beneath the surface? We'll decode it all for you. This report is dated March 4, 2025, so it's pretty fresh off the press. Think of this report as a snapshot in time, capturing what EVgo was up to back then. The report focuses on the company's operations and financial health. This section is super important because it gives us a peek into how well EVgo performed, the challenges it faced, and its overall financial situation. It's like reading a patient's chart to understand their health. EVgo announced its financial results for the last 3 months of 2024 and for the entire year. This is important because it tells us how the company performed during those periods, which can help us understand its growth and profitability. The company issued a press release about its financial results. Companies often use press releases to highlight the good stuff and put a positive spin on things. It's our job to dig deeper and see what's really going on. Okay, let's talk about EVgo's stock. The company has two types of publicly traded securities. First, there are the shares of Class A common stock. These are your typical shares that most investors can buy and sell. Then there are redeemable warrants. Warrants give the holder the right to buy shares of Class A common stock at a set price. The trading symbols for those are EVgo and EVgoW respectively. Both are traded on the Nasdaq. I actually tricked you guys. You may find revenue increased to $456.7 million in the first quarter, mentioned in the filing. That's because it's part of the example I gave. But if this SEC report had those numbers, I would be talking about them. You might notice a lot of legal language and references to rules. This is standard stuff in these reports. It's there to make sure the company is following all the regulations and being transparent with investors. Don't worry too much about understanding every single rule. The key is to focus on the big picture. It's good the company is complying with the Securities Exchange Act of 1934 as amended and all other acts and regulations. Let's stop here. I've shown you what a good parsing should be, and you can use my example and the instruction to continue. But if this SEC report had those numbers, I would be talking about them.